Good morning, all my dear students. So today we are going to do the lesson. The name of the lesson is Calamity. So we have finished in the last lesson. We have done the lesson of our surrounding. So today we are going to start a new lesson. The name of the lesson is Calamity. It's from your EVS book, chapter number 17. So let's start. So in the first paragraph, it is written that difficult situations and moments of emergency often come by surprise. A sudden accident or a natural catastrophe that causes great damage to property and loss of life is called a disaster or a calamity. It causes immense suffering and lasting distress to people and animals. Disaster can be natural or man made. Earthquakes, tsunamis, cyclones, floods, volcanic eruptions, and forest fires are some natural disasters. Natural disasters are caused by forces of nature that are not within our control. Therefore, it is important that we are well prepared to face them by learning about their causes, effects, and how to deal with them. So, in this paragraph, basically, it is all about that the disaster or the calamities are basically divided into two parts: natural disaster and man-made disaster. Some of the example of natural disasters are tsunamis, cyclones, floods, volcanic eruptions, and forest fires. These are some natural disasters. So in this lesson we are going to learn about some of the natural disasters such as earthquakes, tsunamis, cyclone, flood, and volcanic eruption. So let's start with earthquake. So, what is earthquake? A sudden violent shaking of the ground is called an earthquake. There are plates or blocks under the surface of the earth that keep moving and shifting. On these plates lie the continent and the ocean. When these plates collide or slip over one another, there is a sudden release of energy which causes an earthquake. As you can see in the right hand side, it's a picture of destruction caused by an earthquake. Earthquakes are generally are difficult to predict and impossible to stop. So because earthquake are natural disasters, so these are impossible to stop as well as to predict. They can cause immense destruction. The tremor of the earthquake shakes the building and houses. Some of these buildings collapse, resulting in the death of people and animals. Thus, many people become homeless. In hilly areas, earthquakes can cause landslides. Depending on the magnitude of the earthquake, bridges and dams too can crack or collapse within which in turn cause floods. Earthquake also cause loss of electricity and breakdown of the communication. So in this class we have learned about earthquake. In the next class I will teach about the other natural disasters such as flood, tsunamis and many more. Till then, thank you.